There is a shift in the weather over Delhi today as well, with the India Meteorological Department forecasting light to moderate rainfall across the capital. The IMD has issued a yellow alert warning of rain accompanied by thunderstorms, lightning and gusty winds of 30 to 40 kilometers per hour, which could touch 50 kilometers per hour in some areas. Joining us live on the broadcast is my colleague Arzu Seth. Arzu, this is the sign that all the people and residents of the national capital are waiting for. We were waiting for the monsoon to arrive, and now we are getting to know that the IMD has issued a forecast for light rain along with thunderstorms, lightning, winds as well. So, this is something that we all will be welcoming. Arzu, if you can hear us, we were just talking about how we all will be welcoming this spell of rain, this shift in temperatures in the national capital.
Definitely, the national capital has seen a change in weather today itself and got a major relief from the heat wave that were prevailing from last few days and months. And in fact, today the people were enjoying the rainfall, and right now it has stopped raining at several places. But yes, downfall was witnessed at several areas in the national capital, while there was slow traffic also that was seen at the Dholakua area of South Delhi. But yes, the IMD has also predicted more rainfall in the coming days, and also the alert has been issued for today. Yellow alert has been issued for today, and also the alert has been issued for the coming 2 days, as well as the wind speed will be recorded around 50 kilometers per hour. So definitely there are alert that has been issued, and also but the people have somewhere got a major relief from the heat wave and from the soaring temperature in the national capital. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Arzu, for all those updates. With our viewers, we are slipping into a short commercial.